Hey, what's up? What's up? Lonnie here from Playbook Affiliates. If this is your first time here, hit that like and share button so you get all of my latest information on this special challenge that I'm doing. This is the Miley Gen using ClickBank to generate a side income. So basically, how it works is Miley Gen is a company that gives you leads, 100 leads per day. You can upgrade those leads per day by either getting people that you refer or by linking your accounts together, which means that it goes from 100 leads today per day to 200 leads per day. So we're gonna go through what I'm trying to accomplish. So I came across a couple people doing this challenge. Um, and I've seen some good results for it. So I figured, well, let me see what I could do. So I set up the whole Miley Gen setup, which I'll show you how to do through this video. And after that, I started promoting a ClickBank product that's been bringing me in some pretty good income, especially seeing as that I just started. So we're gonna go ahead and go into the next page. So here's how it works. You get to send out an email every day, and you can't send out the next email for 24 hours. So that's actually the one downfall to this, because you can only send out that one email at 24 hours from that, and life gets in the way. That's the best way I can say it. So if you get up at 8 in the morning today and you need to get that email out at that same time the next day, and you're not able to do it simply because life got in the way, your kids or whatever the case may be, it kind of throws off your timing. So that's the one down part about this here, is that you have that issue. But other than that, you can send out emails consistently every single day. So basically, how this works: you send out your email with your link. This is my link to my ClickBank product, and then from here, I found that this really works well, putting in your own signature, and I'm going to show you that as well through this too. So and then I also, in my emails, I also promote Miley Gen as well, because here's the cool part about the Miley Gen setup. You go to affiliates. Oh, it kicks me out. Here's the cool part about that. If you refer people, you start making commissions on the other end. So if you refer 5 people in 1 week, you get $100 bonus as well. So I'm gonna be diving into trying to do that as well. But I wanted to focus on one thing, and my one thing is generating leads from ClickBank. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back over here to this screen. So I wanted to show you some cool stuff. So anyway, so with the email, you want to create an email. I'm going to show you that. You would start by selecting all your accounts, and if you've done this long enough, you have other emails in here, and then you just, let's just say you use this one. It will fill your information in here, and it will also fill it down here. So here's one thing that I do that other people, like I said, don't do. First, I want to show you how to get this cool signature. So you go to this site, which is not loading. Interesting. Of course, when I want to use it today, it's not working. Okay, we'll have to come back to that one. It's not working. But you go to Signature Hound, and Signature Hound is free, and you can create your account here. So I'm gonna probably do a separate video on setting up your account with Signature Hound to help you out. But here's what I do. So I'm kind of skipping around. Let's start with ClickBank. I go to ClickBank. Put my account in. Okay. And I picked this. Jesus, not working for me today. Well, I'm keeping all the information in here, so you can skip past this part. But anyway, I go to the marketplace, and I go to the live chat jobs. Here's what I'm gonna go ahead and click this, but it'll take me right here. So they give you what we call swipe files. And here's what I like to do. I like to take the title, and I use this thing called Chat GPT, and I'll say create me 10 engaging titles based off of this title. Okay. And then I'll put this in space, and so then after that I'll let chat do its thing. So right now it's creating 10 titles. So then from this, what I typically do is I'll take one of the titles that I like the most. I'm typing. And here's the thing, if you don't like any of the titles, you can tell it to keep going on and make more and more and more until you get the ones that you want. But for the sake of the conversation, let me see. Be the voice behind the chat. Embark on. Okay, let me see. I like this one. So I'll take that. And I'll go back to my lead gen. Here. Scroll up. I meant to do this. Put one here, and chat. So now that would have been my title, and I'm not gonna do this again because it takes a little bit long. So what I would have done now next is I would have took this email, and then I would have told chat write me a highly engaged email based off of this information. And then after that, I'll tweak it a little bit until I get it the way I want it. And then that is what I would post here. That's what I will post here. Then I will put my link in here. And then once again, this, if SiteGround was actually, not SiteGround, if Signature Hound was working, I would just show you it. You click in here and you make your Signature Hound, and you just paste it in here. So then after that, then I hit this perfect timing button, and then normally there's another 2 buttons here to send that message, and then boom, I'm done for the day. So but here's how it works to increase your chances of getting sales every day. So I made this little page to show you. So link. So this is how it works. So like I said, you get 100 leads per day, and that would be per account if I just did it the way it is. So that means I would be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 500 leads in a day. Okay. So I wanted that would be 3,500 for 7 days, right? So by linking the accounts together, you get 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. So the one thing about this one here is I actually already have one person who I referred. So now my fifth account has 200 leads as well. So now I'm getting a total of 7,000 leads per week, and so that increases your chances over time to continue getting leads and to continue making sales. So last part, so this today wasn't so hot, so I know yesterday I didn't get a chance to send out my leads, so hence zero. Zero for this one too. So but it's a work in progress. So the better you get, the more consistent you get, the more times people see you, the more chances you have to start sending leads and getting sales. So with that being said, that's the end of the video today. I will see you guys on the next one. Let's go. Let's get it.